Hi everyone, my name is Amber and welcome to another Stellar Guitarist guitar tutorial. I'm going to be teaching you how to play the iconic song Knockin' on Heaven's Door by Bob Dylan. Now this song really stands out to me as a great beginner guitar song to learn because we only need to know 4 chords which get repeated in the same sequence from beginning to end. So make sure your guitar is in standard tuning and we are not going to need a capo for today's lesson. Without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial today. So I've come in for a close-up. We're going to look at the 4 chords that we're going to need to play the song. So the first chord that you're going to need is a G major chord. And I am going to be using a 4-fingered G chord today because it's going to be a really nice, easy transition to our second chord, which is the D major chord. So you can see that 3rd finger is going to make the transition really easy because we have an anchor finger. It's going to be a pivot point that we're going to use between the 2 chords. So take some time to practice transitioning from your G to your D major. Next up, we are going to have a C major chord and we have an A minor chord. So the chords are going to be played in the following order throughout the entire song. We're going to be starting on a G to the D to the A minor. We're then going to have G again to the D and then to the C major. So definitely take some time now to work on those transitions and ensure that you can get from one chord to the other with a nice smooth chord change. So if you are a complete beginner and you're just starting out on your journey, then let's tackle the easiest way that we can play the song. So the best way to learn any song is to just stick to down strums and playing on the strong beats, which are beats 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to be starting on that G chord and we're going to be doing 2 down strums on the G. We're then going to transition to the D for 2 strums. And then we're going to change to the A minor for 4 strums. So the first line of chords is going to sound like this, starting on the G. 1, 2, switch. 1, 2, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to then repeat the G and the D with 2 strums. 1, 2 to the D. And then we're going to change to the C chord for 4 strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a really great way to get those chords under your fingers and to get very confident with your chord transitions. So let's practice that whole chord sequence together, starting from the G chord. Here we go. And 1, 2, switch. 1, 2, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to G. 1, 2 to the D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it one more time. G to the D to A minor and G to the D and to the C. Next, let's take a look at the strumming pattern that is used in the original track. So for the G and for the D chords, we're going to be counting and strumming down, 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 up. 1, 2, and a. So the G is going to sound like this. Down, 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 up. And we repeat that on the D. Down, 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 up. So from the G, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. and a, 1, 2, and a. And then when we change to the A minor chord and to the C chord, depending on which chord you're strumming, the strumming pattern is going to sound like this. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. So we have down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. So on the A minor, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. And if you're playing the C, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. So we're going to put the whole thing together now, starting from the G major, and we're going to play the whole sequence with our new strumming pattern. A 1, 2, 3, 4. D, the A minor, G, D, and C. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. Now, if you are enjoying today's tutorial, then please could I ask you to like this video, and why not come and join the Stellar Guitarists community, where I post songs just like this one for you every single week. And if you're wanting to find out more about how you can work with me, then go and check out thestellarguitarist.com or click the link below this video to find out more about my awesome guitar program, the Stellar Academy. Right, let's get back into the lesson. Now, a little tip from me to help you make your chord transitions a little bit smoother is to lift your fingers up off of the strings on the final strum of each of your chord changes. So what do I mean by that? Let's go through each chord. So if we're starting on the G major, we're going to have the pattern down, 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 up. So we're going to be lifting all our fingers except for our ring finger, because that's our anchor finger. And we're going to then put our fingers down for the D chord for the first strong beat of the next bar. Down, 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 up. And again, we lift all our fingers up to get ready for the next chord, which is A minor. And we lift them all up on the final up strum, getting ready for the G for the first beat of the next bar. So in total, the first line of chords would sound like this. Lift, lift, and you would do the same for the C major as well. So when you're playing it slowly, it's quite obvious, those up strums that are open. But when you're playing it up to speed, you're not even going to notice or hear those open strings ringing out. So if I show you at full speed, this is what it would sound like. And it just makes those chord changes that much easier so that you can play the strong beat of each chord with confidence, and you're not arriving late on the chord, because we don't want to be arriving late on the chords, because that is what's going to make your music sound out of time and a little bit wonky. So those are the main sections of this awesome song. Let's put it all together in a mini playthrough coming up next. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then I know you're going to love the lesson that is being suggested to you right now on the screen. Don't forget to like this video and to pop in the comments, say hello. I love meeting you all. Have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in next week's lesson. Bye.